What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Instructified video. Today I'm going to teach you guys so you can get a custom wallpaper just like this on Lively Wallpaper. So what you gotta do firstly is go over here, right? I'm guessing you guys already have the app, right? So once you're over here, what you have to do is click on over here. You see the plus sign right here. You just have to click on that, right? Once you click on that, you can put a YouTube video or anything you want, right? So me personally, what I do is go to the website right here, right? But this website, they have all the necessary wallpaper. They're pretty valid. Me personally, I like this website right here. It's pretty valid. So what you have to do is search up molewalls.com, right? Then once you're over here, you have to scroll down. Then you have a lot of options. You have more than 2,000 wallpapers right here. So let's say you like a Naruto wallpapers, right? So let's say you search up Naruto, and there's a lot of wallpapers right here. So here, right? All you have to do is just download it. Once I download it, what I have to do is go over here, go back to Lively Wallpaper, click on open. Just click on open. And that's how you get a custom wallpaper on Lively Wallpaper. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.